Baby, now let me warm you up.
Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start baking, and this is all we need to make the easy red velvet Crinkles. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil, 3/4 of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 pieces of medium eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red food coloring, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and last, we need 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. Now let's proceed to procedure on how to make the easy red velvet Crinkles. In a large bowl, add the canola oil or the vegetable oil, white sugar, the brown sugar, the vanilla essence, the 3 pieces of white eggs, and last, the red food coloring. After adding all the ingredients that we need in the bowl, use a wire whisk, mix it well until all ingredients are combined. For the next step, add the cocoa powder and the baking powder. Now mix it well until the cocoa powder and the baking powder dissolve. For the last ingredients, add the half of the all-purpose flour to the cookie mixture. Now mix it well until the flour mixed to the first ingredients. Now add the remaining all-purpose flour, mix it well until all ingredients are combined. In this stage, you can now use a spoon for you to easily mix them well. After mixing all the ingredients, now put in the chiller for 30 minutes. While we are waiting, in another bowl, add the confection sugar and the cornstarch. Stir them by using strainer. Now you can use spoon or fork to mix them and set aside. Now put a wax paper to your baking pan. This will help you to remove the crinkles from the baking pan after baking. After 30 minutes of waiting, wash your hands and use your hand to get a small amount of cookie dough and make a round shape. Now roll the cookie dough to the confectioner sugar and put to the baking pan. Now make the same procedure to the remaining dough and make sure to give them spaces for about 3 to 4 inches. Now use spoon to slightly press or push the cookie dough. Now let's start baking for 10 to 12 minutes for about 180 Celsius to 350 Fahrenheit. After baking, let it cool and ready to serve. Enjoy! Now this is our easy, crunchy in outside but soft in inside, our easy red velvet Crinkles. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Vlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!